Hello, today again we are here for problem 25 from the lounge. This is Pack1 again, a lot of them out there. So the problem says to find the value of the blue shaded area in the following design. Okay, the area is inside of a square of a side of 8 meters. Okay, we can see it's a square 8 meters by 8 meters. All right, and also what we have is the information regarding the holes. These are just circles with diameters of 600 millimeters. So we have to deduct those from our calculation, of course, and this is what we are going to do in the next few minutes. It is a very simple problem. Okay, I updated the graphic. We can see here that we have a 90-degree angle here, and this is half of the side. And this, we notice that also there's a semicircle centered here at B1, and that is of a radius of half of the side, that means 4, and it is just this one. So we can see that we have that information. And another information you have is that this semicircle, of course it is there, but there are other semicircle, from the center we can see that we have a circle circle segment here. This one is from that, and that one here is from another one centered here, and so on. So we have 8 of them. They will be the same. So all we have to do is to calculate one of the circle segments and multiply by 8, and we have the total blue area with the holes. And then we remove the holes, 4 of them, with a radius of 0.3 meters, that means 300 mm, and then we have our results. That's what we are going to do. Okay? So first of all, what is the area of a circle segment here? Okay, a minute. Of one circle segment. We know radius is equal to 4. I think they said meters. Okay, I'm just going to say meters. All right. And we know the general formula of the area of a segment. Area segment is equal to 1/2 of r squared times alpha in radians, all right, minus sine of alpha. This formula is available. We showed how we got it in this website. Just look for circle areas in one of the chapters. So we are going to use that here and multiply one of them by 8 to an area of 8 segments. Area of 8 circle segments. All right. What we have is area segments, I'm just going to say that, is equal to 8 times 1/2 of r squared. R is 4 squared times alpha. Alpha is this 90 degrees here. All right. So that means pi over 2 in radian. Okay. So we are going to say pi over 2 minus sine of pi over 2. We know that it's 1. We've shown that already in trigonometry. So that's all we have for that. And if we do simplifications here, we can say 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 4 squared makes it 64, right? 64 times pi over 2 minus 64, right? Otherwise, it's equal to 32 pi minus 64. That is the area of the segment. Now, the area of holes is equal to 4 times pi times r squared. R is 0.3 squared is equal to 4 pi times 0.09 is equal to 0.36 pi. All right, so we are going to remove that from the area we had here. So area in blue, I call it here, is equal to the first area AS minus AH is equal to 32 pi minus 64 minus 0.36 pi. That makes it 31.64 pi minus 64. If a student gives me that information, I'm already good, I can accept that. All right, so but we can just calculate it complete. Let's use our Texas instrument here. 31.64 times pi minus 64 is equal 35.39999. This is definitely 35.4 as indicated here on the sketch. Okay, so what we have is the answer is equal to 35.4 square meters. Okay, so this is the answer we were looking for, so that's it about it. Okay, now let me see what the GeoGebra has to say about it. Okay. Okay, I have GeoGebra here. And GeoGebra, what it says is he called one, the first one here, T. So it says T is the circular arc here. Let's see if we can see the information. Arc T is this circular arc, the circle segment here. He's calculating it at 6.283, and he's multiplying it by 8. And then subtracting the other one, these two holes, and let's see where he has it here. He calls that one N, and N, he says it is the area of T times 8 minus 4 times the area of P1. P1 is one of these holes here. Let's see where P1 is. P1 is this, you see the circle here. So if we show its label and we scroll down here, you can see that GeoGebra is taking, this is F1, all right, H1 here for this circle, this Q1, this P1. This P1 here, he's the one, actually this is the one he's calculating, so he's calculating and multiplying by 4. Okay, so GeoGebra is also telling us that the result is 35.4. Thank you.